Yo, what's up, everybody? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G. In this video right here, I am changing my valve cover, aka replacing it for a reason, because one of them that I got is powder coated. But in this picture, as you can see, this is the engine valve cover that I bought off eBay off somebody. And the reason why I did that is because so that way I won't have to wait. Because once I take my car in the shop, I won't have to wait 2 weeks. So I can just keep my old one until they do the new engine, you know what I'm saying? So, and then as you can see, this is the dirty oil because, the engine cover is pretty old and all that debris, all the dirt, all that old paint that's bubbled up is going to come out, which I couldn't see in the picture, you know what I'm saying? Because I forgot to record when I first had it. So, we're about to get going. I'm about to take out to the shop and I'm off this, yo. Peace. Alright, so I'm back, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get this day started and pick up my valve cover gasket. You heard? Let's get it. Alright, so I'm at the spot right now. I came to pick up my engine valve cover, you feel me? So let's get it, man. Alright, man, I'm here at the static coating shop. As y'all can see the engine covers, powder coating and stuff. It's no painting on like that. It's high durability and stuff. And I came to pick mine up. It's right here too. You feel me? So this is nice, man. I'm really digging this right here. Like I'm gonna open this when I get home and all that. Right now because it's like wrapped up. And shout out to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. What's your name?
Tony.
Tony? All right. Shout out to Tony, man, for doing the job, man. I really appreciate him. And they got other stuff to deal with. Like all this is powder coated. The brake calipers, all this painted calipers, the headers, it's got to get sanded down. Or is it bare metal already?
Right now that has some type of coating on it. It's going to get sandblasted and that's going to get Cerakoted. It's going to get high heat paint.
Oh, gotcha. How you paint. Okay, good. Yeah, so that's good. And then over here, powder coated too, or?
That's got to get stripped, sandblasted, and then coated in purple.
Oh, bad. All right, that's straight. So it's cool. And then somebody else's engine cover is about to get stripped and powder coated, right? Can I look at it? Alright, it's alright, man. I ain't worrying about my hands too much, man. Oh, that's another case series. Okay, I see that. Alright, bet that's straight. So you know what I'm saying. So, but yeah, I might do my brake caliper. I thought about it, but yeah, I like how y'all doing your job, man. For real, like shout out to y'all, man. You feel me? So yeah. So as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying. This is great, and I'm shouting out their Instagram and stuff like that too as well. I'm gonna put it up on my description and all that so y'all can check them out. If y'all need to get your job done or whatever, call them. I put the number 2 and all that, so y'all good to go, So, one more thing. Let me catch this real quick. All this is powder coated, as I can tell. It's not painted none, like I said. You feel me? Even up there, the coil springs. Oh, there's springs, right?
Yeah, those are springs.
Yeah, so these springs and then another engine cover and stuff. That's a Honda one, a little different one I see. You feel me? So all this stuff is powder coated. Shout out to y'all. Even the muffler tips is powder coated. That's crazy. The exhaust tip is powder coated too. So I'm out, man. You feel me? Alright, so I'm back at my spot now and I want to show you my whole thing and what they did and all that. And also I want to show y'all something real quick. I don't know if y'all be able to see it, but it's like sanding pieces on the inside and stuff like that. I don't know if y'all can see all this, but I'm going to have to clean this up real quick with water and soap. And then I'm going to definitely show you the tools that I'm going to use to change this. Because I have to change this whole thing. Not the whole engine, but just the top part. You feel me? Which I'm going to show you later on and stuff. So as you can see, I took the wrap off real quick. Look how clean that is. Like this is gloss red. Like this is literally clean. They did the job right and all that. Make sure it ain't no powder coats on here because I have to put on the coil packs and stuff like that and connect everything once I switch this over. And I want to show you an example. You see this little dirt over there, whatever? It's inside, and I have to clean it with water and soap and stuff. That's about it. I have to clean this whole thing, make sure everything is good, spotless, no dirt, no sand particles, none of that in there. You feel me? It's only sand particles because they had to sand this whole thing out, make sure it's clean and everything. So I'm about to get ready to clean this, and then I am going to switch over. So let's go. Alright, so as y'all can see, this is my old engine valve cover right here, the silver one right here, this part. I gotta remove this part to get to the coilovers, and then I gotta remove these, and then I gotta remove the bolts on the side, and I have to remove these two and stuff like that, even in the back as well. You know, let me see if I can show y'all. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like these I gotta remove. I gotta remove this too. I gotta remove these and stuff, and I gotta unpin this as well too, because these is coming out. Everything gotta come out, you feel me? So this is not even that hard. And I remember on this video I was putting this on, but this gotta come out too as well. So, you know, this is not even hard. This is easy. And then once I put on my cover, but before I do that, I gotta put the valves on and everything, which I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit, you feel me? So this is not hard. I feel like this is mad easy. Like, to me, I'm just used to this, but let's go, man. Whew. I ain't gonna front. I was struggling to get that shit out, but yo, I took it out. It was not even hard. My old one is right here. This one is still clean though. That's crazy. But too bad I'm changing it, you know what I'm saying? So good thing, you know, I'm changing this out. This is not hard. My coilovers is over here, stuff like that, which I'm gonna put on. But before I put my new one on, I'm gonna clean it, wipe it down, make sure everything is clean before I put it back on, you feel me? And I'm just very, very grateful for this, you know what I'm saying? So, whew. All right, so this right here is still good and all that. It was no leakage. I don't even think it was any leaks. I'm not sure, because I seen like oil stuff on it and I kind of felt like it was no leak. But what I want to talk about is I have the replacement for this, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not going to use my old ones on this, because this, you know, stuff gets wearing out real quick sometimes. So I'd rather get the new ones for my safety and stuff like that, because it's better to be safe than sorry. By the way, this is a gasket, you know, for the engine cover and stuff like that. And this is the valve garment. This is the garment right here as well. And this is the spark plugs gasket too as well that I'm going to put on this, on my new joint, you know what I'm saying? So All right, so I did it. You know, I had to hammer all of these so it would stay in and stuff, because this is for like the spark plugs and the coil pack, so it would definitely stay. And I did this too. This wasn't even hard to do, you feel me? So now I'm gonna have to put everything back to where it was, reversible, and it's not even hard, you feel me? So, oh, one more thing. I gotta put these on. These new ones, these joints right here, I gotta put these on because my old ones are no good. So these gotta go, you feel me? All right, I'm back. I just did some cleaning, you know. I cleaned each corner and I put some silicone stuff in the corner so that way it would stick. It would be no leaks and nothing like that. I did each corners and all that. I wiped down the corners because I know they was wild dirty, you feel me? So I did what I had to do. And now I'm definitely about to put the gasket back on right now so I can just show you what I'm talking about. So let's get it, man. So now it's looking good and all, but what I'm doing now is that I'm about to put everything back, you know, reversible everything back to where it was and all that. So let's go. Finally, I got the job done. I ain't gonna lie. It was easy. A little bit. It was between easy and hard. You feel me? And I'm very impressed with this, man. You feel me? Like, the way it came out, I am very impressed. I was dead about to paint this too, but they told me not to do that. Just leave it like just the way it is. And I said, bet. And they came out real good. And I'm really, like, literally impressed. Like, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to start off the car first. And I'm going to make sure there's no leakage or nothing. You feel me? even though it shouldn't, because I already put some on it. I already put the gasket and everything on, the new ones, not the old ones, the new gasket, you feel me? So let's go. Alright, so far I'm looking around, make sure there's no leakage coming out or nothing like that, you feel me? I can't see it, but you know, there's no leakage or nothing like that. I'm trying to make sure there's no leakage, nothing. You feel me? In the back, I don't know if y'all can see it, but you know, I doubt it's leakage back there. I just checked it, so I'm good to go, you feel me? So, you know, so I'm just checking to make sure there's no engine lights on or nothing, you know what I'm saying? I don't see no light. The only light I see is no seatbelt because I'm not driving, and both my doors open, of course, but man, I feel good, man, for real, for real. So yeah, man, I'm about finished. I'm good. I'm very, very grateful. I'm very impressed with this. Shout out to Static Coatings for this, you know what I'm saying? I really appreciate it. They got the job done, and I'm just very impressed, man. The links is in the description and all that, you feel me? If you want to check out their Instagram and stuff, because, you know, they be doing their thing on Instagram, like they do wheels, brake calipers, engine covers, any other metal parts y'all want to do, like bikes, all of that, you feel me? Not the tires, but you know what I'm saying? So, but they do the rims though. They'll do the bike rims, the car rims and all that. But yeah, enough of all that. So look, I honestly want to thank everybody for watching this video. This was easy for me, to be honest. This was not hard. Like, I saw other videos on YouTube, and it was not even freaking hard for me because I know how to deal with it. Good thing I bought the electric wrench for myself, so that way I can make things a little easier for myself. And I'm grateful, you know, everything is good. You know, I cleaned this up too, by the way. This part, yeah, I know it's a little dirty. I did the best I could, but everything else is clean. Everything else is good. You feel me? And I want to thank everybody for watching this video. You feel me? This is not even hard. And this is like my very first time ever taking an engine cover out. You know what I'm saying? Like, I replaced my old one with the new one. You feel me? And my old one painted started coming off anyway, so it was easy. It wasn't even hard. And by the way, I had to buy this, by the way. It was an older one and stuff. This came out of 2010, and I took it to the coating, and they coat this, by the way, so that way I won't have to wait, you know, and I'm good. And I'm grateful for this. So, you know, your boy 534 is about to be out. I got more videos coming soon. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So I'm very grateful for it, and I love the positive energy. So your boy 534 is off this. Peace.